Hi, my name is Ruben, and the job I picked is a biochemist. You might be wondering, what does a biochemist do? Well, a biochemist studies the chemical and physical principles of living things and of biological processes, such as cell development, growth, DNA, and disease. This can include running laboratory experiments to develop effective medicines, or going out in the field to collect cell samples from animals and plants in order to understand how these genetic traits are carried. The project I'll be doing is extracting DNA from peas. Like how I said before, they use this DNA to understand the traits of these peas. The materials I'll be using are split peas, a mesh strainer, contact solution, salt, 75% alcohol, 3 test tubes, a cup, some liquid detergent, something to stir with, measuring cups, and distilled water, and a blender. The first step of extracting DNA from these peas is combining the peas, salt, and cold distilled water in the blender. I must blend these peas for at least 15 seconds, for longer than 25 and 30. I first put a half a cup of peas in the blender, and then grab my teaspoon and put 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I later use my distilled water and put a full cup of distilled water. By the way, the water needs to be cold or else it won't work. As the mixture comes out, it is chunky, and we will be avoiding these chunks by putting the mesh strainer through the cup. I then get my test tube of liquid detergent and pour it into the cup of the mixture. I will then need to mix it thoroughly to get the full effect. After I've mixed both the liquid detergent and the mixture, I will have to wait for 10 minutes. The 10 minutes have gone by, and I will put the mixture inside another test tube. The measurement of the mixture will need to be 1/3 of the size of the test tube. Then we will need to put 2 drops of contact solution inside the mixture. After, we will get the alcohol and match it to the amount of mixture. I then put the alcohol in with the mixture, but I need to put it slowly so it wouldn't mix. At this moment, the DNA has extracted for some bit, but after 5 minutes, this is how it looked. The white floaty things on top of the alcohol is the DNA of the pea plants. Here are some close-up pictures of the DNA from the pea plants. DNA usually clumps up and looks stringy, like these pictures. Biochemists extract this DNA and place it under microscopes to understand the genetic traits of the plants. They then use these traits and try and implement them into future medication studies to help out people in need. That is the end of the project, and thank you for watching.